Hey G's, wow, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this really cool product here that is by the brand Luxtude. Luxtude, I believe that's how I pronounce it. But pretty much what it is right here, it is a power bank that has 20,000 mAh and is actually waterproof. So if you guys saw my last video that I did, that one was actually not waterproof. And this one has 4,000 less mAh, but this one is supposed to perform better than that one. So not talking, let's actually unbox it and show you guys what I mean. So right out the bat, when you open the package, they give you this little card that say thank you and all that good stuff. They pretty much give you this little card right here for like a user instruction, a manual on how to set up and how to use it. Right here we have the actual product itself. You can see the little logo right there. And then on the bottom you have a little nice charger that they provide, and it's actually a good quality charger. It's a micro USB to USB cable, and it has a nice little strap right here. You can actually strap it on when you're actually done using it. I actually really like the boxing of the product because it feels like kind of like you're opening a brand new iPhone, so that's really nice. If you guys look right here, you guys have the light right here that you can actually turn on from on the side right here, which I'll show you guys in a second. On the top we have a compartment right here that is closed completely shut. So let me actually open it and show you guys what it comes with. So right there, if you guys can see, there's two different output right here. That is a 2.4A, and then in the middle, if you guys can see, it has a USB-C and a micro USB outlet that you can actually use to charge your product. So this one is actually really nice because of the fact that it's not 2A, it's actually 2.4A, so it's actually faster than the 2A or regular charge. And also the fact that it comes with a micro USB and a USB-C outlet or input also works really well, and it's actually really nice of them to do that because that way you can actually charge more than one product at a time, but also you can charge different products. And if you guys look right here, it has a little strap that you can actually hook it on to your little carabiner or little keychain to care about your day. And for this product, it's actually 20,000 mAh, so a little bit less than the one that I did previously, but everything about the product should be a lot better. So let's actually test it out now and show you guys the different specs about the product. So the way you want to turn on the light is by this little button right here. So you press it 2 times. So 1, 2. And if you guys can see, the light is actually really strong, but let me turn off the light so you guys can see how strong is it. So there's the light right there, you guys can see. So if you want to turn it brighter, this is actually the lowest setting right now, but if you want to turn it brighter, just press the button. So now it's a little bit brighter. And if you turn on max, that's the brightest it can get. If you want to see how bright it can get, this is how bright it can get, kind of. So there you go. And when I show you guys on the camera, this is what it looks like. And then if you guys click it one more time, you go in like a SLS mode. And if you press it one more time, you'll go back to normal. And the way you want to turn it off is just double clicking the button and it'll turn off. And on the back of the product, if you guys can see this little button right here, if you click it, it'll show you the battery life. But now that we talked about the product and showed you guys how it works and everything, let's actually test out the outlet and test out the waterproof by putting it in a running water or whatnot and see how it works and whether or not it still works.
Alright, so here we have the portable charger, we have a tester here, we have different cables to test everything out. We have a micro USB, a USB-C, a regular lightning cable, and then an iPhone to test everything out. So let's get to it. So when we open this compartment right here, you guys can see the different outlets on here. So let's actually plug it in and see how it works. Alright, so first one we're going to plug in right now is going to be the USB-C to see if that works. Alright, so you guys can see the light came on, it's charging, so that one does work. Alright, so you guys can see it does work. This is charging the actual product right now. The reason why it's so low right now is because the batteries are full, so it can't charge as fast as we want it to be. Next, we're going to test out the micro USB right here. Alright, you guys can see it works as well. Next up, we have the lightning cable. So that one powers on. Let's see if it charges. So it does work. Let's try the other one. Alright, so here we have the Luxtude waterproof power bank. Let's put in water and see whether or not it's waterproof. So you guys can see, it actually seems really well so far, but let's see if it works. Alright, so the light is on. You see the flashlight turns on. It works underwater. Very nice, very cool. Still works.
Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw a test of each output and whether or not it works and whether or not it still works even in running water after putting it in water, you guys can see that the product actually works really well, and everything about this product actually is really perfect. And the fact that if you guys don't know what Red Dot Award is, they actually won the Red Dot Award for 2018, so that's really cool. So in a way, it shows you guys that this product is actually really nice and really worth it. So this product actually has everything that you could possibly ask for except for the solar charger, but if you guys want the solar charger, you can actually buy the raw power that I did previously. And I'll put the links in the description box down below so you guys can go check it out if you guys want to. But as a product as a whole of a portable charger that's 20,000 mAh, it has a really strong light and different light settings. It has different outlets that you can actually use for micro USB, USB-C, 2.4A USB, and then actually can charge all 4 or 3 products at the same time. Actually, it's pretty amazing. So long story short, to answer the question whether or not it's worth it for $30, yes, 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 and yes. Because you're really getting your money's worth by buying this product, and especially after looking at the test I just did with the waterproof and the different outlets charging multiple products at once, you guys can see that actually works pretty well. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing and testing of the product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shot of the day, we have